Stranded with a dead battery? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car jump starter batteries of 2025, built for power, safety, and reliability. Whether you're dealing with freezing winter mornings or just want a compact backup for emergencies, these jump starters are game changers. Links to all the products featured are in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never get left in the dark. Number 5. WeGo 44s. The WeGo 44s is a compact, reliable jump starter that earns its spot as number 5 on our list for 2025. Designed for convenience, it delivers 425 peak amps, making it suitable for gasoline engines up to 7.0 L and diesel engines up to 3.5 L. Its lightweight design, weighing just 1.2 pounds, ensures easy portability, fitting snugly in a glove box or trunk. The WeGo 44s features patented smart clamps with reverse polarity protection and a loud audible alert to prevent incorrect connections, enhancing user safety. It can provide up to 20 jump starts on a single charge and holds its charge for up to 18 months, ideal for emergency preparedness. Additionally, it doubles as a power bank with dual USB ports, 2.4A and 1A, for charging devices like smartphones and tablets. The built-in 600-lumen flashlight with strobe and SOS modes adds versatility for roadside emergencies. Its IP65 water-resistant rating ensures durability in adverse conditions. The WeGo 44s recharges in about 2.5 hours via a USB-C cable, though it lacks a charger in the box, requiring a separate purchase. While it may struggle with larger diesel engines or fully depleted batteries, its compact size and safety features make it a great choice for smaller vehicles. The WeGo 44s is perfect for drivers seeking a budget-friendly, portable option with solid performance for everyday needs. Its 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support provide added peace of mind. For those with mid-size cars or SUVs, the WeGo 44s is a dependable companion for unexpected battery failures. Number 4. Clore Automotive Jump and Carry. JNC 770UR. The Clore Automotive Jump and Carry. JNC 770UR secures the 4th spot with its professional-grade performance, tailored for heavy-duty applications. Boasting 1700 peak amps, this lead-acid jump starter can handle gasoline engines up to 8.0 L and diesel engines up to 6.0 L, making it ideal for trucks, SUVs, and commercial vehicles. Weighing 24 pounds, it's less portable than lithium-ion models, but compensates with exceptional cranking power and long 68-inch cables for easy access to buried batteries. Its replaceable battery ensures longevity, a rare feature in modern jump starters. The JNC 77R includes a built-in voltmeter for battery diagnostics and dual 2.1A USB ports for device charging, plus a 12V power outlet. It lacks spark and reverse polarity protection, requiring careful connection, but its robust clamps ensure a secure grip. The automatic charger maintains battery health, and it can deliver multiple jumps per charge, perfect for mechanics or frequent users. Recharging takes longer due to its lead-acid design, but its durability is unmatched for professional settings. The JNC 770R shines in cold weather, reliably starting vehicles in sub-zero conditions. While its bulk and 200-plus price tag may deter casual users, it's a top pick for those needing raw power and reliability. Its sturdy build and long cables make it a favorite in garages, though it's less suited for glove box storage. The JNC 770R is a workhorse for demanding applications, offering unmatched power for larger vehicles. Number 3. Gulu GP2000. The Gulu GP2000 takes the 3rd spot for its impressive balance of power, affordability, and versatility. Delivering 2,000 peak amps, it can jumpstart gasoline engines up to 9.0 L and diesel engines up to 6.5 L, covering most vehicles on the road. At just 1.4 pounds, its compact design fits easily in a glove box, making it ideal for emergency kits. The GP2000 features robust clamps with reverse polarity protection and overcurrent safeguards, ensuring safe operation even for novices. It can perform up to 40 jumps on a single charge and includes a high-capacity 16-800 mAh battery, doubling as a power bank with dual USB ports, including a USB-C for charging electronics. Its 100-lumen flashlight with 3 modes enhances its utility for nighttime emergencies. The GP2000 recharges in about 3 hours via USB-C, though a charger isn't included. Its performance shines in tests, starting engines like a 1.6L MGTF with ease, though it may struggle with larger diesels in extreme cold. Priced around $80, it offers excellent value compared to premium brands, with a carry case for storage. The build quality feels slightly less premium than competitors, but its reliability and feature set make it a standout. The Gulu GP2000 is perfect for budget-conscious drivers needing a powerful, portable jump starter for daily use. Its versatility and affordability make it a top choice for 2025. Number 2. Hulkman Alpha 85S. The Hulkman Alpha 85S claims the runner-up spot as a premium, high-performance jump starter for 2025. With 2,000 peak amps, it effortlessly starts gasoline engines up to 8.5L and diesel engines up to 6.0L, delivering unmatched voltage output in forced start mode. Weighing 2.5 pounds, it's compact yet durable, with an IP65 rating for water and dust resistance. Its 3.3-inch digital display provides clear battery status and diagnostics, a standout feature. The Alpha 85S can perform up to 60 jumps per charge and holds a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring readiness. It recharges in just 1.5 hours via a proprietary USB-C, though the charger is included, unlike some competitors. Safety features include reverse polarity protection with audible alerts and spark-proof clamps. It also offers a preheat function for starting engines at 40 degrees, ideal for harsh winters. With dual USB ports, a 12V or 10A outlet, and a 5-mode LED flashlight, it's a versatile power bank for camping or emergencies. Its robust build and 2-year warranty justify the $150-plus price, though it's pricier than budget options. The Alpha 85S excels in performance, starting large engines with ease, but its proprietary charging cable may inconvenience some users. For those prioritizing cutting-edge technology and reliability, the Hulkman Alpha 85S is a top-tier choice for 2025. Number 1. NoCO Boost X GBX45. The NoCO Boost X GBX45 tops our list as the best car jump starter for 2025, combining power, durability, and innovation. With 1250 peak amps, it handles gasoline engines up to 6.5L and diesel engines up to 4.0L, making it suitable for most cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its compact 2.5-pound design and IP65 water-resistant rating ensure portability and resilience in harsh conditions. The GBX45 features heavy-duty, rubberized clamps with reverse polarity protection and a manual override for completely dead batteries, delivering instant starts with no hesitation. It recharges in just 48 minutes using a 60W USB-C charger, not included, the fastest in its class. Offering up to 20 jumps per charge, it also serves as a power bank with a 65W USB-C and 18W USB-A port, plus a 200-lumen multi-mode flashlight. Its premium build quality and intuitive single-button operation make it user-friendly, though stiff clamps may require effort to attach. Priced around $125, it's a premium option with unmatched reliability, starting vehicles like a 2.4L Volvo V70 effortlessly. The GBX45's versatility, quick charging, and robust safety features make it ideal for drivers seeking a high-performance jump starter. Its 1-year warranty is shorter than some, but its quality and performance make it the top choice for 2025.